see, there's been a tragedy. It is chaos down here. I don't know if the cats tipped it or it just came to its fate and collapsed. But we got stuff to do. I'm gonna leave these shorts on for try on stuff that I'm not sure about yet. And let's start this so I can start taking pictures and getting rid of stuff. These jeans are from Fashion Nova. As you can see, they're very long, but they do fit. Oh, I really need to have these so I can wear them because they're fabulous. We'll take that off, throw that out after. Try some shirts on with this first. Obviously these aren't gonna go together, but while I have pants on, I'll try on a couple tops that I'm not sure about. See, like it is really cute. It's just, I don't know if I'll force myself to wear it or to force myself to wear it. We're gonna. This was from my most recent haul. This is the keep that needs to be washed. Also, most recent haul that can stay. Let's try this one on. Cute, but I don't have a big enough upper bust for it. Kind of gaps. Sell 4 pairs of pants that we need to try to see if I'm going to keep or get rid of. Fit, but I don't know how I like, because this is my biggest area, it kind of makes the pockets stick out. I'm gonna get rid of Fashion Nova jeans, made for 6-foot tall models. Fit really good, but again, long. Since they fit extremely good in here, I'm gonna keep them and hem them. I like how these look from the front, but from the back they look like pajama pants on me. We'll sell at a discounted price or give because there's some snags from the cats. I don't want it.